welcome back to my video. Today I have a biggest board in the universe. It's a blue color from this side and it has two colors in the marker, green and blue, green and black. And this side, this is a duster and this side is blue color. So we have to open this baby up. This is a very big...
And what you will write on the board?
I think I will write my name.
And do you know the spelling of board?
What?
Board.
Maybe B-O-A-R-D.
No.
B-O-R-D.
B-O-A-R-D. Board.
I was saying that, you little silly. I was saying that.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, then there is a two colors in the
There
mark.
are two colors, green and black.
So tell me the color of spelling of green color.
G-R-E-E-N B-L-A-C-K. Let's write something.
What are you writing? Are you writing your name?
No.
Then may I know what are you writing?
No.
I think you have written Sahil. And nothing.
Cloud.
Cloud?
Let's try the black color. The
Yes.
black color do a little bit with the green. Let's see the duster if it actually works. Yep, it does.
So now what you will
What am I seeing? This color erasing black not properly and no. This color is not writing well. This color is writing well. And this color is erasing well. And this color is not erasing well. What is this? Let's see from the back side of this thing.
It is writing from the back side too.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's white from both sides.
But this is something.
And what did you have and other things? Did you?
Look at this, my tablet's cover.
Yeah.
This is my tablet's cover. We can open this like this like this, and this. There is a tablet. Then we have to, if you want to stand it, open it like this, and then do this. This. Oopsie.
No, it's not working. Oh yeah, it's working. Wonderful,
You
Sahil.
can watch anything on it. Wii games.
So
And we have closing it's easy.
So you have to protect your tablet.
Tablet.
Should not
And,
be fall
this is a
down and be cracked.
Protector. It's broken from here, so we have put it safe. And we don't even need to put this side. It's a little bit small, but no worries. So thank you for watching my video, but it is a small video, so subscribe and thank you for watching my video. Make sure a big thumbs up. Smash the subscribe button.